this was the most delicate of the three. Soft chocolate undertones, kind of milky in a way, like, milk in your tea
Very much.
with peach nectar. It was
Peach, there you go. See,
yeah,
there you're covering the
yeah,
spectrum
yeah.
again.
It
Yeah.
was it was but there was complexity to the softness, to delicacy, and the brown sugar. It was definitely something I've never had before, but appreciates. I
Hmm.
appreciate it that the
I have to agree. Yeah, the
yeah.
Typica Mejorado. Yeah, that is really excellent. I love the complexity is very much there. I love the brightness up front, like you said.
Mhm.
Papaya, dried
Mhm.
mango, dried cherry.
Mhm.
It's really kind of tropical fruity vibe,
Yeah.
but it's super complex with some spice, like even curry powder,
Oh wow.
which is really fascinating. I don't write that note very often. And then yeah, finishes strong with like a nice
Mhm.
roasted almond milk chocolate.
Yeah, yeah. I can picture this with a really nice breakfast Danish on a Sunday morning,
Hmm.
chilling on my porch, and I mean, because that's the vibe it gives.
Single
It's
origin coffee. Yeah,
yeah,
this is just deserves this, to be highlighted and stand out for it on its own.
absolutely.
Excited about this new region.
Yeah.
Be very excited to see on our sheet again some offerings from his farms. This is an expansion from his farms, not his La Papaya, his main farm, but a new location a little farther north. I first came across Juan Peña's coffee probably in 2017 or so, where it stood out on a cupping table as absolutely my favorite coffee of that year. And I was lucky enough to go visit his farm in around 2018 and got to see, his enhanced farm irrigation practices, his attention to detail and soil management. And I'm happy to see his expansion of those practices to new regions in Ecuador. He was originally a rose farmer and had experienced exporting from Ecuador before moving to coffee. Unfortunately, lost his rose farm in a hailstorm that destroyed some of his
Interesting.
greenhouses. Yeah, but he made a
Yeah.
successful pivot into
Yeah.
coffee, which we're benefiting from very much. Yeah, excited to see some new offerings from him.
It was interesting to go from a rose farmer to a coffee farmer and be extremely successful at both,
Yeah, yeah,
but
yeah.
even more so with coffee. I mean,
He cares about his plants. You can
yeah,
see it when you're talking to him. Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
that's good. And you can tell in by the quality of the beans. I
Hmm.
mean, all three absolutely amazing. You can't go wrong.